Dear customers, welcome to a training video sequence out of the range from the Rauch Furniture Group in Freudenberg. Today I'll show you especially our wardrobe Quadra. It's a very interesting model cause you are free in choosing the colors for the car case and the doors. So every door and the car case will be ordered separately, and you can do it in the colors out of the range, whatever you want to do. Just like your wardrobe will be customized. The wardrobe is available in 5 sizes, between 136 and 315 centimeters. Also in 2 heights, 210 and 229 centimeters. It's very easy to order cause you only choose a car case, and the height and the width are automatically give you the right measures for the rails and the handlebars. The handlebars are available in aluminium, that means matte colored, or in chrome, that's shiny, or only carcass colored. The doors of your Quadra wardrobe will be delivered flat packed. Each door has 4 single panels. It's easy to assemble cause it will only be fixed between the handles. For more details, you can also watch our videos of assembling. The Quadra robe in the measures of 136 up to 271 centimeters will be made with 2 doors. And the width of 315 centimeters, it will be done with 3 doors. You can find a lot of extras at our display and inside the sales book. Every car case section has, from the serial side, 1 shelf and 1 hanging rail. You can add on any extras, just like drawer sets with 2 drawers, 3 drawers, or you can have a frame for the outside with or without lights. So you have a lot of possibilities to get your wardrobe as you want it to have. An important information in case of the extras will be the dampers. These dampers will take care to close the doors very smooth, to get a comfort look and to get protected against hitting the outside panels. If your customer isn't looking only about a wardrobe, we have the answer. Aduce, our range of chests and matching pieces. And when you are looking for a complete sleeping room solution, we have also one model range. It's called Aduce beds. And it has a very special thing. You can get all the articles in the same color ranges as your Quadra wardrobe. And for special informations, the beds of Aduce are in the height of 49 centimeters, so you come easily in and out. The Rauch Furniture Group is producing all of its ranges only in Germany. All steps inside the supply chain, from the tree, over the chipboards, up to the finished furnitures, it's all out of one company. We are very proud of all our quality seals we got for our furnitures, especially for the slogan Made in Germany.